Beep beep everybody. Today we're opening up 2021 Topps Big League Baseball. I understand that this is kind of one of the low end sets from Topps that comes out every year along with opening day, but nonetheless, I don't have any problems with low end sets, and from videos I've seen of this, I kind of like the way they look. So we'll give this a go before we see our plastic purple toilet go across the screen. And the word of the day is group. I should probably come up with some more unusual words that you don't hear in everyday speech, but today it's group. And I offer you this sentence. The elephants welcomed me into their group once I was able to load a mark record into my collection of cosmology abbreviations. If you have a sentence that you'd like to share using the word group, please post it in the comments. I would very much appreciate reading what kind of neat things people have come up with. And the weirder it is, the more interesting it is. So before we begin, boop, boop, boop. Good luck from Nathan the Gnome. And Cal Ripken back here has earbuds on, and over here he has phones, and they are our witnesses to the opening. And Cal Ripken on his earbuds is listening to the album by Pineal called Brand Cuckoo. So give that a listen when you have a chance. I by no means am declaring what Cal Ripken's favorite music is. It's just I'm playing off a strange card where he's wearing earbuds. So this has 10 packs, and you can find 5 exclusive blue parallel cards per box. There are 10 cards per pack, 105 cards in the box, so that's a lot more than we're used to seeing. And cut along the dotted line for an exclusive collectible trading card. Rookie of Ke'Bryan Hayes, so I guess I won't throw this box away. There are 4 different cards on the back. So before I go on, let's see, Aaron Judge is on the other one. I can't imagine that I'm going to be able to cut them very good, so they will probably not be graded very well, but I will save the box. Here are our odds. And let's try to get that into focus. There we go. So you may pause the video at this point if you so wish and read the odds, and I'll try to keep the box nearby in case we come across something unusual. I can look it up and find out what it is instead of randomly naming it whatever comes to my mind, although that may from time to time be interesting. I'm sure it annoys a lot of folks. So let's set the box over here, and here are our 10 packs, and we'll begin ripping them, and hopefully we will get through the wrappers okay. Alright, that's a good sign. I did not do any other research on this set. And there's Tyler Stevenson rookie card. So these look pretty cool. I like them. And these are what the backs look like. I kind of like that color arrangement. That looks nice. I wonder if it's different for each card. There's Matt Olson. And yes, they are using the colors of the player's uniform on the back. So that's pretty cool. There's American League War Leaders. And we'll have to check that out. That's Shane Bieber, Jose Abreu, and DJ LeMahieu. And one other thing I wanted to note that I forgot to say is the 2021 Big League Baseball came out this year. It was delayed a rather long time. Dinelson Lamet, Kyle Lewis, award winners. Rookie of the Year award winner. Oh, I did not know that. There's Bryce Harper, Luis Castillo, Clint Frazier. And here's an insert. Defensive Wizards. That's Mookie Betts. That's not numbered. And an orange bordered parallel of Alex Gordon, and that is also not numbered. Garrett Crochet. There's Luke Voigt. Here's our American League strikeout leaders. Shane Bieber, Lucas Giolito, and Garrett Cole. And these numbers are really low because this was from the 2020 season, which was shortened due to the pandemic. Jacoby Jones, Clayton Kershaw, Shane Bieber. Here's our American League home run leaders. Luke Voigt, Jose Abreu, and Mike Trout. Jorge Soler. Here's a blue parallel of Miguel Sano. This is not numbered. Souvenirs, 438 feet. That's Gleyber Torres. That's an insert set, not numbered. And an orange parallel of Shane Bieber. Cy Young Award winner card. Let me look at this. Okay. So the box doesn't mention anything about the orange parallels. Let's see. I don't see anything in the odds about the orange ones. It starts off with rainbow foil 1 out of 37. So I'd say the orange ones are rather common then. They seem to be showing up 1 per pack. There's nothing about them being exclusive. So Wilson Contreras, Pete Alonso, Adonis Medina rookie card, Lewin Diaz rookie card, Andrew McCutchen, Jake Cronenworth rookie card, J.P. Crawford, Cody Bellinger highlights, Rob's Fernando Tatis of NLDS home run, and here's our another insert card, Wanted. That's Kyle Lewis, last seen in Seattle. That's not numbered. And an orange parallel of Tyler Glasnow. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Boop. Marcelo Zuna. Now that looks like a UFO sighting, so we'll separate that. Brandon Woodruff. Kevin Biggio. Ahmed Rosario, David Dahl, Tristan McKenzie, George Springer, Joey Bart. Our blue parallel is Keegan Aiken, and it's a rookie card. And Tim Anderson, and that is some special insert. Congratulations, you have just received an Art of the Game card of Tim Anderson. Alrighty, it's not numbered. And Jack Flaherty in an orange parallel. There was something on the odds about Art of the Game. That's 1 in 4. Okay, that's not too big of a deal then. Dansby Swanson, Jazz Chisholm rookie card, Corey Kluber, Alec Boehm rookie card, Aaron Judge. That qualifies as a UFO sighting. Cool. Corey Seager holding up some award, and that was the NLCS MVP. Eric Hosmer, highlights card, Slam Diego, okay. Ryan Castellani, rookie card. Defense Wizards, Fernando Tatis. And an orange, award winners of Don Mattingly, manager card. He wins the manager of the year in the National League. I did not know that he won that. So that's pretty cool. Ketel Marte. That falls under our Ball Meets Bat sub-collection, so put that aside. Jesus Aguilar. Kevin Kiermaier. Justin Turner, that also meets Bat Meets Ball collection. Cool. Josh Donaldson. Marcus Stroman. Josh Bell. Nelson Cruz award winners, and he was the Marvin Miller Man of the Year. And here's a blue parallel of Andrew Benintendi. Those are not numbered. Souvenirs, Mookie Betts, and an orange parallel of Mike Soroka. So I like the design of these. I think they're pretty cool. Tim Anderson, Gleyber Torres. Here's the American League batting leaders. And that's DJ LeMahieu, Tim Anderson, and David Fletcher. Lucas Giolito, that's a highlights card. He threw a no-hitter. Salvador Perez, award winners. Comeback Player of the Year award. Aaron Nola, Jose Ramirez, Spencer Howard, George Springer, who was wanted, and an orange parallel of Mookie Betts highlights card. Robs the Braves in the NLCS. Jose Garcia rookie card, Jesus Luzardo. American League stolen base leaders, and those were Adalberto Mondesi, Jonathan Villar, and Whit Merrifield. Ozzie Albies, Shane Bieber, Shane McClanahan rookie card. He's having a pretty nice year this year. Freddie Freeman, Mike Moustakas. Here's a blue parallel of Chris Sale. And here's another one of those Art of the Game. That's Key Brian Hayes, rookie card. That's nice. And orange of Kohei Arihara, rookie card. Charlie Blackmon, D.D. Gregorius, Adam Wainwright, Kyle Seager, Zach Plesac, Lorenzo Cain, Matt Chapman, American League hits leaders, and those are Jose Abreu, DJ LeMahieu, and Whit Merrifield. Defense Wizards, Yadier Molina, and an orange of Keston Hiura. Last pack of the first blaster box. Miguel Cabrera, Chris Paddock, Daniel Bard, Christian Javier, JT Realmuto, John Means, Kyle Tucker, Brandon Crawford, a blue of Patrick Corbin, souvenirs of Rafael Devers, and an orange of Eloy Jimenez. And that's the first blaster box. Let's open up the second one. Oh, let's give myself a stretch before we continue. Come on. Hello. Beep, beep. There we go. And by the way, those cards that are on the back to be cut out, you may be able to see them, but there is a back to it on the other side. So I'll save those. I don't know if I'll attempt to cut them out. What I may do is I may end up cutting out the entire panel instead of trying to cut the card out, because I don't think my cutting skills are good enough to make that card a sharp cut. There's Joey Gallo, Anthony Rendon, and that qualifies as a UFO sighting card. There's Mookie Betts, and that qualifies as a burping card. See, I had another video where I picked out a guy running around the field, and in the video I didn't recognize it as Mookie Betts until after I had recorded it, and there he is. He runs and burps at the same time. There's Randy Arozarena, Jose Barrios, National League War Leaders, and we got two people burping. So it's Mookie Betts, Freddie Freeman, and Manny Machado, and we have two players burping on card. Blake Snell, Christian Pache rookie card, a blue of Zach Plesac. There's Tim Anderson. I think we've already had a Tim Anderson art of the game. And Giancarlo Stanton is our orange parallel. So we haven't come across anything really exciting in here yet. Mike Brasso, Carlos Carrasco, Sean Murphy, Corey Seager with a car, and I guess he got a car. Marcell Ozuna, Jeff McNeil, there we go. Bat meets ball. That goes in a sub collection. There's Ryan Braun. Nate Pearson, rookie card. Defensive Wizards, that's Paul Goldschmidt, who's having a great season this year. And the orange is of Mike Yastrzemski. Okay. Alrighty. National League saves leaders. And that consists of Josh Hader, Brandon Kinsler, and Kenley Jansen. There's Trevor Story, Max Fried, Mike Yastrzemski, Key Brian Hayes rookie card, Bobby Dalbec rookie card, Ryan Jeffers rookie card. Ooh, what have we got here? Congratulations. You have just received a big league autographed card of Austin Nola. Nice. I wish it was a more significant player, but nonetheless, we don't get very many autograph cards, so that is our big hit of these two blaster boxes. And there's Marcell Ozuna spotting a UFO, but this time with a blue border around his card. And I guess we'll put him there. There's souvenirs of Mike Trout and an orange of Max Scherzer. So we got one hit. That's not bad. It's always nice to have one. Brian Reynolds, Jose Abreu, Ryan Mountcastle rookie card, Yadier Molina. I'm not sure if that's... Yeah, I think that qualifies as a UFO sighting. Kyle Schwarber. That qualifies. Well, I don't know. He looks like he's catching something. I'm not sure if I would call that a UFO sighting. This one I would. Austin Meadows. He's holding up his glove to block the light from the UFO. And there's J.D. Davis and Jose Abreu and wanted Kevin Kiermaier. I'm not even sure I know who he is. And an orange of the AL RBI leaders, which were Jose Abreu, Luke Voigt, and Mike Trout. Bo Bichette, who looks very happy there. I don't know why. He's got soup stains all over the front of his uniform, so he goes into that special soup stain collection. Hyunjin Ryu. Pavin Smith rookie card. Keibert Ruiz rookie card. Brandon Lowe. Evan Longoria. Giancarlo Stanton. AL RBI leaders. And we've already seen them before. Abreu, Voigt, and Trout. And we have a blue parallel of Alex Verdugo. And another art of the game of Ke'Bryan Hayes, followed by an orange Ke'Bryan Hayes, both of these considered rookie cards. So, Ke'Bryan Hayes, if you ever turn into a great superstar down the road, I will have at least some of your rookie cards. All right, Braxton Garrett rookie card. Leody Taveras rookie card. Dylan Bundy. Daz Cameron rookie card. Estevan Florial rookie card. Shogo Akiyama. Marcus Semien. And a foil card. Let's see. Brandon Woodruff, and it is numbered 65 out of 199. And I guess this is just a rainbow foil. So that's a nice hit. And let's check out rainbow foil is 1 out of 37 packs. So 4 blaster boxes, you should at least run into one of them. So we were lucky to get one. Defensive Wizards of Juan Soto. And an orange card of Dalton Varsho, which is also a rookie card. Oh, come on. Let's see. There we go. Sometimes they just don't rip quite right. Tony Gonsolin. Tyler Glasnow. Mike Soroka. Starling Marte. I'm not sure if I want to... that one I'm not too sure is a UFO card. Patrick Corbin. Keegan Aiken rookie card. There's our NL stolen base leaders, and those are... I keep turning it around. And Trevor Story, Roman Quinn, and Trey Turner. Isaac Paredes rookie card. The blue is Kyle Seager. A souvenirs card of Juan Soto, and an orange of Shogo Akiyama. We have 3 packs left. Thank you for staying with me this long. I know a lot of people don't consider this the most exciting product, Keston Hiura, but I like the design. Nelson Cruz. Ian Anderson rookie card. Luis Campusano rookie card. Trey Turner. Nolan Arenado, who's having a great year this year. There's Fernando Tatis, who has missed this entire year, and I won't go into details. You all know by now. Devin Williams, award winners. The Trevor Hoffman National League Reliever of the Year Award winner. Did not know that. Most Wanted, Jackie Bradley Jr. has a big grin on his face, and there's an orange of Yadier Molina, which qualifies as a UFO sighting card. Let me sit back a little bit while I open this one up. Okay, there we go. Second to last pack. Oops, sorry, I think I had a desk quake. Josh Hader, Teoscar Hernandez, Braylon Marquez rookie card, Justin Dunn, Alex Kirilloff rookie card, Rafael Devers, Adalberto Mondesi, Justice Sheffield. There's a blue of Adonis Medina, also a rookie card. And here's Art of the Game, Shane Bieber. And an orange of Monty Harrison, also a rookie card. Last pack. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Okay. Boop, boop, boop for good luck. Andres Jimenez, rookie card. And he's having a pretty good year this year. Nico Horner. Luis Robert. That's a nice one. Alex Bregman. Chris Bryant. Jameis Jones, rookie card. Ronald Acuna Jr. Dustin May. Defense Wizards, Mookie Betts. And an orange parallel of Marcus Semien finishes off the video. Well, there you have it. 2021 Topps Big League. One of the lower end sets of the Topps product line. I'd say it's probably a little bit better than opening day. Maybe about the same. I don't know. That's a subjective call. We got a rainbow foil of Brandon Woodruff, numbered out of 199, and an autograph of Austin Nola, which is not numbered. Every single pack had an orange parallel. Quite a few of them had a blue parallel. None of them are numbered. None of the insert sets are numbered. But we did come across these. Soup Stain on Bo Bichette. A UFO sighting by Austin Meadows. A UFO sighting by Yadier Molina. Bat Meets Ball, Jeff McNeil. 2 burping players. Mookie Betts burping and running at the same time. Anthony Rendon, a UFO sighting. Justin Turner, Bat Meets Ball. Ketel Marte, Bat Meets Ball. Aaron Judge, a UFO sighting. And Marcel Ozuna making a UFO sighting. So that is all of our sub-collections. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. I hope you all have a great day. If you liked the video, go ahead and click like. If you find my content interesting or at the least weird enough that you want to see it, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. I'd be very happy to have you as a subscriber. Everyone have a great day. Beep, beep, everybody.